If you're a homeowner in Ruckersville, you need to know what goes into a pressure washing. Quote, "Don't get surprised, get informed." Quotes depend on a few things: the size of your area, the type of surface, and how much grime needs to go. Professionals, like Earlysville Gutter Cleaning, check everything before giving a fair, accurate price. They use the safest methods for your home, so you get lasting results without any damage. Want a worry-free clean? Call Earlysville Gutter Cleaning for your free quote today.